not around here. Hey babes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. I hear all this noise in the house because both kids are home and they're just playing cats and puppies. Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on to intro today's vlog. I didn't vlog all day today because I already had what you're about to see to show you guys, so that's why I didn't vlog this morning. But yeah, I'm here. I'm in the kitchen making dinner for the fam bam. Oops, my husband's home. Who that? She love calling Papi Pig. You guys, that's Sarah name for Papa whenever she see him. Papi Pig. Anyway, you guys, so I'm here making dinner for the family because I want to take the kids to the pool. And look who is here.
Papa,
Hi, guys.
le papier aujourd'hui m'a écrit que j'ai eu un bon résultat, je pouvais aller en CE1.
Ok, je vais regarder ça. Hi guys, well, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, sister. And I come back from work and the dinner is here. Yeah, Father's Day continue.
Every day is Father's Day for you in that case. Anyway, you guys, so we're gonna eat right now because I want to take the kids to the pool. So let's see how that's going to go. And baby's home, so it's perfect. Anyway, you guys, let me show you guys what I made for dinner. There goes Tyler plate, Sarah plates, my plates, and babe plate. One out of the two, but our salmon is not finished cooking. Some more salmon gonna go in the plate. So yeah, that's dinner. And rice going on it too, so don't worry. Here is Kyla. Say hello.
Hello, I have a good result and I can go in 2nd grade.
Tyler report card came home today and he did very, 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 very good. Advancing to 2nd grade, right?
Yes.
Are coming to you right now with the
Sambam.
supermarket haul. Tell us about the fan bam. I guess I'm doing the supermarket haul alone today. Where is everybody? Hello? One person is present. Where is the other person?
Oh, where is Mr. Delaveaus?
Water, please. Come by
Where's the
water.
Miss F2? Water, please.
You look like a dog with your sunburn, your lobster hand. Show Faith your hand. You guys got the sun to babe today. My God. You look like a lobster. Come, take your position. No.
To the door, to the
No.
wall.
No.
How you do with the
Good.
lobster?
I thought that you had
Did
my
you say hello to
one.
Faith?
Hello.
Oh.
Now what? Now I see.
Now you see what?
I see what.
You saw that I buy water ice cream for you? None of them have no idea what I'm
How you call
on.
that? Popsicle?
Yeah. They have no idea
The
what I'm
red
on.
one is raspberry flavor.
Popsicle.
The orange
you
one
like to
is
say?
orange
Yeah.
flavor. The yellow one is lemon flavor. The green one is lime flavor. The brown one is coca flavor.
No,
Bravo.
the green one is mint.
Alright, let's get the supermarket haul on the way. You guys, we got in with the supermarket haul, with the supermarket goodies for a while now, so I took out all the cold.
Thousands stuff.
So I have merguez and sausage and chicken here. Need to go in the fridge, but the yogurts are already palatable. And everything that's supposed to be in the fridge, the frozen fruits. I can't focus with this man behind.
Same color.
Come,
no?
guys.
Pineapple.
Good job.
Pineapple. Good
You wanna
job.
tell them in French? En français?
Yes.
job.
What you're seeing,
Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What you're seeing in my plate, what you doing it in my plate?
Because you don't say it
Oh,
fast
me,
enough.
I need to do
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's continue. What's this?
Happy biscuit.
Happy biscuit. You should find a non-happy biscuit.
Crepe.
Crepe.
Steak.
Better cook them this time.
What's in here? Ah!
Kiwi.
I didn't get any last week and I was really feeling it in the week, but it's here today. Boom!
Tuna.
Ah, baby.
Baby tuna. Baby tuna. Baby tuna.
Sorry, but it's right here. Alright, y'all, don't bother with the foolery.
Stop.
Baby ketchup, baby ketchup.
Finish now. Let Sarah alone perform. Let's go. Okay, what's this?
That's juice. Just for me when I wake up in the night and I feel for something.
Oh, and now we know you're doing that.
Oh, a lot of biscuit, a healthy biscuit. Well, I don't know with the amount that it is still healthy, but
No, it's not healthy.
Jesus have mercy on Sarah Chew with the cantaloupe. She said, ball. Sarah, take it that tray out of the bag and say, ball. It's not ball. Y'all, I have to buy these foods to go on the road for Sarah because I got another type and she insists on not eating it today. So it's a good thing I
well,
have
she
to
have her
buy.
own character. She don't like it.
Pasta!
Yeah,
And nobody's talking now.
apple juice and almond milk.
Mama,
Yes?
I could see something.
Bananas.
If I already eat it at school, I say yes. If I don't eat it, I say no.
Okay.
Bananas.
What is this?
No.
What is it?
Coca-Cola.
No.
Coca-Cola from Atlanta. Lemonade.
What is it? Hello,
No.
you ask if it's an open? Not now.
Not now.
Please to tell us what it is.
Lemonade. What is that? Oh, that's a different bottle. How
Then
come
this
you don't
have
have
the other one.
So why you took this bottle? I mean, the bottle is more important than what is inside. It's the most important, the packaging. Ay, faster, madam, faster.
Hurry!
Faster, madam, faster. We have white bread and brown bread. This morning I felt for white bread toast, but
So
because
you didn't have it?
no, because we were about to go on the water and I didn't know what amount of bread we needed.
Tomato. Thank you, Sarah.
Excuse me, Papa.
Yes, Tyler.
Yes, Tyler.
You are blocking him.
No, that's okay.
Yes, he was blocking me.
Carrot, apple. Yo.
Salmons. Show me again. Woo. No, guys. She does that. In reality, she does. And
That one is deodorant. It's not perfume.
you still do that with deodorant. And
You see,
I'm sure you do the same thing to your foot. Your foot stink.
No, I do not carry a stinky foot. Cucumber.
Cucumber.
I'm specific for you, stomach.
This.
It's big.
I'm specific for you,
They'll take your bite out the dirty gutter.
Big. Woo, you Alright, what else do we have?
Hey, that's cute. confused me just now. I'm sorry, you guys.
We
I have
have
to do it.
apples.
They already see apple.
Apples. They saw the bananas.
Yes.
We have bread, sweet bread. Another apple and some lettuce. Ooh, another juice.
Tyler having juice now in the evening
Oh,
when
somebody
he
put
when I
strawberry. I tell you what for this little baby.
There's Sarah. There's Sarah strawberry. See how sure. Sarah strawberry.
Strawberries.
You saw your color. You said you were one.
I can just tell Mama and Papa. I don't want to tell you a question.
Tell me.
Papa,
Yes, Tyler.
this you think to me? Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Alright, give me what you want to
No.
say. Alright, we finished. Give me everything.
Wait, Sarah, wait.
Mayonnaise is not healthy at all.
Yeah, not healthy at all.
It's not
Here,
healthy at all.
strawberry.
Give me everything. Oh, that's
I
the
want
most.
the porridge. I want the
That's-
porridge.
That's the healthier
Yes,
things
yes.
that we got today.
Yes.
Mom,
The
can
healthiest. That's teen milk. If it was rated, that should be not even E. That should be F to Z. Z.
Tin milk. Have to buy tin milk because the kids love porridge, especially Tyler. Tyler loves his porridge.
We have some
one
more
strawberry?
juice here.
Please.
Please.
We have food for Sarah. She loves her couscous food.
And couscous.
Sorry for everybody that make couscous. I'm sure you.
Yeah.
But,
I'm not a fan
pineapple
of
juice.
couscous at all.
Pineapple juice. We have. Oh, you make. Where you took this one today?
When you took what is for me, not for you.
Okay. What do we have here? We have some pretzel,
For Sarah. Sarah.
we have
That
some
cereal is E.
chocolate milk. What else
Strawberry
we have?
down on her hand.
Oh, the apple juice is E.
Peach. We have
Papa,
some
the
more
apple juice
couscous.
is E.
Yes, it's terrible.
What?
Some more.
What is E? The apple juice?
Oh, we have cashew. It's called cashew.
Yes, cashew. Cajon. Cajon.
Oh, and here we have
Cajon.
Oh, the pineapple juice is E.
some cereals
For who?
for me.
But I like to snack on this cereal. I like
Yeah,
to
she
eat
always
it
do that.
just like that.
And I want a lot of strawberries.
A lot of strawberries. No, you want one
Please.
strawberry.
Mama, I want a lot of
When you finish the haul, you'll get strawberry. We finish?
If you win,
Okay, finish.
if you win at this game,
No.
Sarah, no. Sarah,
No.
you cannot put the strawberry on the cushion.
alright guys, that's it. That's
Papa.
Tyler, when I'm talking, you don't talk.
Strawberries.
1, 2, 3. Je te tiens, tu. Alright, no strawberry. Alright guys, that's it.
A lot of strawberries.
Papa speaking. Papa speaking, you'll get it after.
Yay.
Alright guys, that's it for today.
They try to end the vlog, but they keep showing strawberries.
Strawberries.
Let me show you what's going on right now.
Strawberries. 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 Strawberries.
Sarah wants strawberries. Look at her.
Strawberries. Strawberries. Strawberries.
Honey, you don't see what's going on around here.
Strawberries. 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 Strawberries.
All right. Stop now. I'm coming to give you a strawberry. you can, but it's what you eat is the problem.
You get a biscuit after that, right?
There's many things to snack. There's banana, there's apple, there's kiwi, there's melon, there's cantaloupe, there's biscuit. It's what you eat. There's no problem with eating. Don't ever stay hungry. If you're hungry, you eat. Move.
Hi guys, it's the end of the day, right?
Yeah. You guys getting supermarket haul today and pool and now this. Yeah. That's what you guys got today.
You got the pool today? You went to the pool?
You too.
Yes! How you know that?
Because you were there. That's how I know. I was there.
Anyway guys, well, I hope you all had a good day. It's officially summer today. Yes.
As Tyler woke up this
Today
morning,
is
that's what he told me.
officially summer. And this is the 21st of June in France. They call it Fête de la Musique. It's like a
Music
festival. So everywhere in France, normally, you should hear music every corner.
In every street.
When I say music, you don't hear like somebody with the how you say, like the
drum.
Yeah, I mean, you're not gonna hear
You
somebody
hear
coming with
singing.
the CD and things. No, you hear
singing,
singing,
people literally
performing, and all of these things, and it's a good atmosphere.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
a very good atmosphere.
Oh,
You have concerts,
good experience.
you have all of this just for today, so
But
you can hear music. But because of the COVID,
some cities don't have it because I see Avignon is live right now.
oh yeah, I think it's not only in Nice, because I think the last year was the last 2 years in Nice was a big concert in the main place of the city. When I say big concert, it's concert going on the TV and for free, so you can see
Lots of people.
full
were
of
there.
people. I remember it was Shaggy on
was
stage,
there.
and yeah, so it's a big things on national TV. The last 2 years there was Nice on the national TV. So I think they didn't want it that for this year. But you still have music like at the corner street. If you're going in town, you
Some
still
city.
gonna hear, even in Nice. but
Okay, not big.
not big, more like at the corner, somebody gonna sing and all of this.
I can hear the guy up playing his guitar now. We have a new neighbor, and he plays guitar so nice.
That remind me of my dad.
Remind me of Papa.
So yeah, that was today, music festival. But yeah, I remember we went in Delaveaus one time before the kids come. It's
And
hard
we
to
went
go.
in Avignon one time. I was in Avignon one time on this music festival. It was my first experience.
I don't remember. You sure? You sure it wasn't the carnival, the festival
It
in July?
was the carnival.
Yeah, I know I'm right. I'm always right.
Was the
Always.
Anyway, you guys, our city is doing also good with the COVID numbers, I must say. So proud of my city, from where it's coming from to where it is now. And worse, because we're so big on tourism, it's doing good. So hope needs keep it up. Anything for your defense? Watch this food.
I have nothing for my defense. France is about to play in 2 days. The last game, so probably you will see
The last game? What do you mean the last
game of the first round. So
Okay.
we're officially going to the second round.
Okay, even they lose the last game?
They didn't lose.
I'm saying even if they're going to lose the last game, what if they lose? They're
Yeah.
still gonna go to the second round.
Yes, they will
Okay.
still go. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope you cheer France no matter where you are. If you're in England, still cheer France. If
True blue, let's go.
if you're in Germany, still cheer France.
Anyway, you guys, that dude said cheer France.
Yeah. If you like this video, give that
Thumbs up.
comment down
below,
turn on the notification,
bell,
catch up, and
keep up
we'll see you guys tomorrow.
tomorrow.